my old keyboard. This is an HP keyboard. I've been using it for a long time. Decided to get a replacement for this big keyboard. As you can see, years have been moving on. We have smaller keyboards with better key travel and better keys, better spacing. So this is an outdated keyboard. As you can see, the key moves a greater distance. It even hurts when you type a lot. It makes a lot of noise, which is a nuisance when you're doing work. So I decided to ditch it and make a replacement, a perfect replacement. So today I decided to make the perfect choice, to make a replacement with a Dell product to help me accomplish most of my tasks. So for use only with listed IT computers, so it is Dell KB216. So this is the keyboard right here. It's inside here. It's a Dell KB216 wide keyboard. I just purchased it at around 60,000 in town. 60,000 Ugandan shilling. So let me begin with the unboxing and see what's in the box right now. So here it is. We have a keyboard with its wrapper. So this is the keyboard. We have some documentation here: safety, environment, and regulatory information. So this is all we got about the documentation. So let me go ahead and check out this keyboard. So here is the new keyboard, updated keyboard with the latest comfort. It aesthetically fits in usual places like home and office. So very nice. The layout is similar to the one here in this laptop. When you compare with this one, this is the original keyboard for this computer, but as you can see, the layout of the keys, it is the same. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So this consumes a little less space compared to this big keyboard. As you can see, it is consuming almost all of my desk. So that is why I decided to upgrade my keyboard. So when you compare the keys, at least there is a less key travel distance. As you can see, it is easier to be used for typing, so it doesn't make a lot of noise. So it has the original keys for the keyboard, but it has some special keys here, the multimedia keys. That is the most thing that made me purchase this keyboard, the multimedia keys. So it is fully customized for Windows 10. Comparing the weight, so I tried to measure here, and I discovered that the keyboard here is even heavier than the packaging with this keyboard. So that makes a lot of discomfort whenever you're moving around when you want to use an external keyboard. So let us try and test this keyboard right about now. So this is the USB dongle, if you know it very well. Let me go ahead and connect to this. So my computer just crashed, and this is a USB hub in case you would like to use multiple peripherals. Let me go ahead and connect to this tablet here.
Welcome to our music family.
As you can see, it works very well. Let me extend the tablet here. to make a good setup. So opening all apps, nothing works, but the navigation keys work. As you can see, it is going on very well. Let me try to open a note. I'll try to make a message. Create new note. So today I'm unboxing this keyboard. So it works very well. It makes barely any noise, so it is nice to be used, especially in a quiet place. So you make sure that you focus on whatever you're doing. So that is why you should purchase some nice keyboards like this. So I recommend you to get some other replacements for your keyboards in order to get updated. This is all about the unboxing. So I've done an unboxing and a review, so with a comparison. By the way, if you're out there and you're wondering which keyboard would you buy for your desktop or computer or your laptop, because you may want to type when you're very comfortable, you don't have the two-in-ones, so you can suggest your recommendation in your video. And by the way, if you're subscribed to my channel, thanks for keeping up with it, and also make sure you subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to comment. I'll be grateful for your comments. See you in the next video.